In the previous video, we can have more knowledge about the red plums, and I promised I will show everybody the process of making red plum wine today. Now, let's get started. This picture shows the two processing to make red plum wine. The first one is we use pyrosulfite and pectinase enzymes, and the second one is we don't use them. Now we can move step by step to make red plum wine and find what are different about the production of the two processes. Raw material we use are red plums to provide the main ingredient rich in sugar, acid, and flavor compounds for fermentation. Washing to remove dirt, pesticides, and surface microorganisms to ensure hygiene and product safety. Cutting to increase surface area to facilitate seed removal and improve extraction during crushing. Seed removal eliminate bitterness and astringency for seed that can negatively affect the wine flavor. Crushing break down the fruit to release juice and pulp for fermentation. Mixing with additives. In here, we divide into two kinds. One we use pyrosulfite and pectinase enzymes, and one we don't use them. About processing to add them, we do like a pyrosulfite about zero point 0.1 gram per liter to inhibit spoilage microorganisms in white yeast. And pectinase enzyme we use about 0.03 gram per liter to break down pectin to release more juice and improve clarity. Incubation allow enzymes to work on the pulp, enhancing juice extraction and clarity. Charting to modify sugar content, pH, and acidity to optional levels for yeast activities and flavor balance. Pasteurization to mildly heat to kill unwanted microbes without damaging juice quality. Yeast inoculation. We add Saccharomyces cerevisiae to introduce selected yeast for controlling alcoholic fermentation. Primary fermentation to convert sugars into alcohol and flavor compounds. Filtration to remove fruit, solid, and residues after initial fermentation. Secondary fermentation to stabilize wine, improve flavor complexity, and reduce unwanted compounds. Filtration or centrifugation to clarify the wine, remove fine particles and yeast cells. Final product is red plum wine. Obtain a clear, flavorful, and microbiologically stable plum wine ready for bottling and consumption. Now, let's follow me to know more details about step by step to make red plum wine. And this slide shows us the compare between two processing. And in the table, you can see when we use food additive, you can have more efficiency. And it can easy to do some steps to make the final product. If you have time, let's try to make it. Somehow in part of red plum wine with 12 to 13% alcohol by volume. For women, we should drink about 150 ml per day. For men, about 300 ml per day, and they have more health impact just like shows in these pictures. Thank you to everybody who is watching and listening to my video. See you next time.